Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So as you all know that IBPS PO prelims will be start from 4th of December, and today I attempted this IBPS PO prelims free mock test from Practice Mock, and I'm gonna share the scores of this mock test. But before that, I'm gonna give you a mock test challenge which will be this IBPS PO prelims 2020 previous year paper. Okay, and it is important at this time because after attempting the mock test we feel a little low that we are getting less marks, but when you will attempt this mock test then your confidence will boost. Okay, and it will help you in the real examination also. So I will attempt this mock test and I will share the marks of this mock test in evening, and you can also attempt this and then we will share the marks. Plus this will be my last mock test for IBPS PO, and for this I will give you the link in description. From there you can go and attempt this mock test, and for this also you can go and attempt this mock test if you want. All both of these are free. So now I will move to this prelims free mock test marks. So this is the score which I got 62.5, and this is the rank, this is the percentile, and this is the accuracy 86%. So in English I had attempted 29 questions, out of which 9 questions went wrong, and it is huge. But the questions in English were little tricky, like there was no direct question, and I think it is good to check our basics. Okay, the questions were of error detection and there were 3 lines given, and we had to find the correct sentences. So it was kind of checking our basics because it was a little tricky. So in English I got 17.75. Then in quants I got 22, and the level of questions in quant was same as the questions I found in SBI PO. In SBI PO prelims also I was able to attempt 21 questions, and in this also I have attempted 22, and which I think is a good attempt because the level was same as SBI PO prelims. Then for reasoning I attempted 22.75, and in reasoning the level was a bit high than the real examination, and I could attempt 24 questions, out of which one question was wrong. Okay, so English and reasoning were on a bit higher side, but maths was as the equal level as of SBI PO prelims. Okay, so these are the marks which I got. In reasoning the percentile is 97, in quants it is 99, and in English it is 83. So these are the marks which I got, and if you have attempted this mock test then please try to write your score in the comment section. And for this mock test I'm gonna share the scores in the evening, and by that time you can also attempt this and you can also share the scores. Thank you.